Hi, morning. All right, so we're just going to talk about how we start our day or how I start my day. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hopefully I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. But either way, remember to like the video, share, and subscribe. All right, so when I get up in the morning, the first thing I normally do is whisper a prayer. Them have this thing that, as soon as you get up as well, you kind of turn around and pick up your phone and kind of just look to see if any messages, missed call throughout the night but most of the time it's just mostly the messages. All right, so but when I get up in the morning, I normally head straight to the bathroom. One thing I have to do before I leave out is get a bath. Yes, me have a shower. So even though I don't get a chance to wash my hair, like I hear a lot of persons would say, oh, when they bathe, they wash their hair. No, me can't do that because this hair will take about 2 or 3 days before it dry. So I normally get up and get a bath. But before I have a bath, every single morning, I have to sit on the toilet for a few minutes. If it means 30 minutes, yes. 30 minutes, I'm still there sleeping, trying to get, the body to wake up. And then I'll step into the shower. And after that, I'm there getting that cold water, the hot water, not really cold water, that water up here too cold. So I get a little bit of warm water on my face, and that kind of help with, waking me up a bit. And so usually it takes about an hour before me actually finishing in the bathroom, and I lie. And that doesn't include me putting on my makeup. But anyways, I've already done my eyebrow, which is good. So yeah, I did my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna apply my makeup. But I cannot leave my house without taking a bath. I cannot leave it without taking a bath. So I'm gonna really understand how some people decide not to do that. They have it as a practice. Because especially when you work as a nurse or you work in any profession, you do a lot of walking. Some people do a lot of walking. And even though you might not see physical sweat, you're sweating there. So it's difficult for you to actually go out on the road and not have a bath. At least that's it for me. When me have a bath, I feel like, I'm ready to take on the day. And so that's the most important thing. Feeling as though I'm ready. So even though I probably don't get enough sleep, because probably sometimes I go to my bed at 2 o'clock and I wake up at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. And that is not enough sleep to function, throughout the day on. Once I get a bath, it's like, yeah, I'm a new person. And the one thing I hate is when I go to work sometimes. When I was working in the emergency room, a lot of times I'll see we're having patients coming in and they're so sick or the department is so busy, and the only thing you can smell is aloe vera. All right, you're smelling aloe vera in the department, and you wonder, okay, then on my arm, and you smell left, right, and center. But me know on my own. Unless I'm working really, really hard that day, where the deodorant that I put on, it actually wear off, because I'm sweating so much. And usually I don't really sweat that much, but yeah, so that's the only thing, that is bothersome sometimes when I go to work. But for majority of the time, 99% of the time, I don't really smell my arm. You understand? You're not going to smell the aloe vera. But that's the thing. I don't want to be on the road and smelling weird and have people kind of put in their nose like, not going to tolerate it. So taking a bath in the morning, every single morning, is good. How do you stay up? Because they don't bathe, some of them don't bathe, and they have to drink their coffee. Some of them have to drink their coffee, 1, 2, 3, 6 cup of coffee in order for them to stay awake. And I'm like, once I get up out of my bed and I take a bath, that's it. The sleep gone completely. Because when me don't wash out them hair, you understand? Sleep now no way again if come back, if come at me for the rest of the day. Because I done rub out that out of my face. So, yeah. But I know I want to take a bath and then I'll go and eat something. Might not be anything heavy. Might just be some tea, bread, just something to kind of keep my stomach going, because I don't want to catch gas. I don't want to have gas. Yeah, man. I don't want to have gas, because gas pain is no joke pain. If you ever have gas pain, it's not something you want to have again. You understand? You want to repeat that again. Gas pain is no joke. I remember one time I didn't have gas. I go to Duns River, I never eat anything in the morning. And I tell you, I could not even enjoy the beach till gas pain and lit me. And then to make it worse, them end up and go KFC. So I go order chicken sandwich deluxe. Tell me much younger. I tell you, wrong decision. Wrong decision. But anyways, me no want that the pain to catch me again. So I have to drink a hot cup of tea, hot chocolate or something before I leave out. Don't know how many persons are like that. So just like when you have people who have to drink their Pepsi in the morning, or their not chocolate, because a lot of people don't drink chocolate up here, or their coffee. Yeah. I have to drink a hot cup of chocolate or a hot cup of tea. And the tea can be Cerasi, tea mint, it can be peppermint, it can be, what else may I have here from Jamaica? Fever grass. I have we have soursop leaf. Yeah. So we have all of them stuff there, you know, well dried up and bag out. So that way we can have it whenever I feel like I need a cup of tea. But yeah, so that's what I normally start my day. But anyways, we're gonna be going out. We're gonna be having a fabulous day, you know. We're gonna be taking care of our patients. We're gonna take care of each other, our clients. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Just be safe on the road as well when you're driving. Just be very safe out on the road when you're driving. And remember, you're not driving only for yourself. You know, you drive for other persons. Because sometimes, you know, people are not so vigilant nowadays. Them just go so. You understand? So you just have to be out there and be looking left, right, and center and behind you, you know, to make sure that you're safe and you're reaching in one piece to your destination. So just whisper a prayer before you go out in the mornings, and you know, ask for God's guidance as you journey to and from work, because it's no promise to anybody. It's not promised to anybody. I met in an accident the other day, and I tell you, say, nowadays me feel like me have anxiety. Yeah, anxiety I kill me, especially when I'm supposed to go through, like, you know, when I have a little turn that is supposed to like turn into a mall, and yeah, I drive past there. So yeah, man, that is giving me anxiety. The right lane I give me anxiety. So nowadays, me start driving at the middle. A lot of time, I normally drive on the left lane either way, which is wrong, the AMA lane. But, you know, nowadays I'm driving in the middle lane. So, I have a lot of anxiety on the road because the accident was really bad. And, you know, I experience it again. Yeah, man, I know I experience it again. That loud bang and the sound and the smell and, you know, the car just crush up and all them stuff there. I mean, I really want to experience it again. So I'm driving safely on the road. I'm driving very safely on the road, and I'm driving for the other drivers on the road as well. So I'm not only driving for me, driving for my passengers and for other people on the road. Okay. So just go there and have a wonderful day, you know. Make sure you drink your water, your fluids, you know. Just make sure you're drinking up some electrolytes and replace what you're losing, depending on where you're at. And if the time is too hot, then you definitely need to replace your electrolytes. And you're eating up your vegetables and your fruits and you know, your grains, and just making sure that you are staying healthy. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for listening. All right, and remember to subscribe to the channel, turn your notification bell on, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, let me put on my little lip gloss, my little TikTok Fenty lipstick. Yeah, man. So far it has been going good. It has been wearing well. I'm gonna find myself I eat it off, so it has stay on. All right, so you know, stay on for the whole day though, but it does stay on for a while. Okay. But then again, I shouldn't even do this because I'm going to eat breakfast. But, well, this is the finishing look. And then, you know, this is my favorite part. It's a two spray. What I like to do. All right. Well, you know, I will see you. Oh, one last thing. Let me spray some of this at the front here. And then later on, I'll show you how I go about with removing my makeup. I have a very, very simple process of removing my makeup. And I will show you that in another video later on, okay? So this is it. All right. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like and check out the other contents, okay? All right. Bye.